Are you stuck in a 9-to-5 job and dreaming of financial freedom? What if I told you there's a way to start your own business in 2025, even with a busy schedule? I'm about to show you 3 ChatGPT-powered business ideas that will help you make passive income, diversify your income streams, and build a profitable business, all while saving you time. Stick around if you want to know how to leverage artificial intelligence and AI tools to unlock your potential and get closer to your financial goals. Let's dive right in. Alright, first up we have a freelance content writing business. If you're a writer or looking to get into the world of freelancing, ChatGPT is your best friend. Here's how it works. You can use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, draft outlines, and create first drafts for articles, blogs, or social media posts. By using AI, you're not only saving time but also increasing your productivity. And the best part? You can still add your personal touch to everything you write. Whether you're creating blog posts for clients or managing social media content, ChatGPT helps you meet deadlines faster and deliver high-quality content. You can even repurpose content from existing blog posts or articles, giving you a continuous flow of fresh material. However, here's a crucial tip. Always make sure the content is human-led and human-authored. ChatGPT should never replace your voice or creativity. It's your assistant, not your ghostwriter. Adding your unique personality and writing style will set you apart and ensure your content resonates with your audience. Next up, we've got online course creation, and this one is absolutely booming right now. People are always looking for ways to improve their skills, advance their careers, or simply learn something new. ChatGPT makes it easier than ever to create your own online course, whether it's a workshop on personal development, a marketing course, or a tech tutorial. Here's how you can leverage ChatGPT in course creation. First, use ChatGPT to generate your course outline and organize the flow of lessons. Then have ChatGPT help you draft lesson plans, quizzes, and discussion prompts. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to polish and design the course for a more engaging learning experience. What would have taken weeks of research, brainstorming, and planning can now be accomplished in just a few days, saving you time and allowing you to focus on delivering a top-notch learning experience. Online courses are a passive income stream once they're up and running, and ChatGPT can help you get them out the door in no time. Now let's talk about building an AI-powered digital marketing agency. If you're passionate about marketing or already working in the field, ChatGPT can be a game changer for scaling your services. Here's how to use ChatGPT in your digital marketing business. Client proposals. You can easily draft client proposals with ChatGPT, helping you win more clients faster. Social media content. ChatGPT can generate social media posts, ad copy, and even email campaigns to keep your clients' digital presence active. Campaign strategy. ChatGPT is great for creating digital marketing strategies based on your client's business goals, target audience, and industry. This means you can focus on growing your business, while ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting of content creation, strategy formulation, and even brainstorming new ideas to keep campaigns fresh and engaging. By using AI, you can offer high-quality marketing services without needing a massive team or a huge budget. So why do ChatGPT-powered businesses work so well? It's all about productivity and efficiency. As a busy professional, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to boost your productivity without burning out. With ChatGPT, what would have taken you hours, like generating content, drafting client emails, or creating marketing strategies, can now be done in minutes. This makes AI tools perfect for those with limited time but a big vision. Whether you're working a full-time job or managing a busy schedule, AI can help you scale your business faster and make smarter decisions along the way. You don't need to hire a big team or invest a ton of money to get started. ChatGPT gives you the edge you need to work smarter, not harder. So which of these AI-powered business ideas are you ready to explore? I'd love to hear which one excites you the most in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tips on AI entrepreneurship, and share this video with anyone who wants